October, an adult Shikra bird was found injured in a residence in Maharashtra. The bird was transferred to Wildlife SOS for treatment. Our veterinary officers discovered that the bird's right wing was broken. X-ray revealed that the radius and ulna bones of the right wing were completely fractured. The team continuously monitored the Shikra and its wing was stabilized using bandages. It was also provided with pain medication, vitamin and mineral supplements to aid the healing process. After 4 months of rehabilitation and care, the Shikra made a remarkable recovery. The bird was transferred to a big enclosure so that it could practice taking flight. As the bird's health progressed, the veterinarians declared it to be fit for release. After a full recovery, the Shikra was released back into its natural habitat.
Hi, I am Baiju Raj from Wildlife SOS. You can help us save India's wildlife by simply liking, sharing and commenting on this video. You can also subscribe to our Wildlife SOS YouTube channel. Thank you.